As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two gas grills, the Master Cook 3-burner and the Nexgrill Fortress 2-burner. What do you think?
Okay, let's check them out. Right off the bat, the Master Cook is bigger, right? 46.5 inches wide compared to the Nexgrill's 27.33 inches.
Yeah, and the cooking area reflects that. The Master Cook has 472 square inches, while the Nexgrill only has 263. So if you're cooking for a crowd, the Master Cook seems better.
Definitely. But look at the BTU output. The Master Cook boasts 30,000 BTUs from its 3 burners, while the Nexgrill has 13,500 from its 2. So the Master Cook is putting out a lot more heat.
Good point. But the Nexgrill is portable, right? It's lighter, only 28.7 pounds compared to the Master Cook's 46.6 pounds. Plus, it's designed to be a tabletop grill.
Exactly. The Nexgrill is aiming for camping and tailgating, while the Master Cook is more for the patio. The Nexgrill also has a griddle included, which is pretty cool for cooking breakfast or stir-fries.
True, the 2-in-1 griddle and grill is a nice feature. And it's got cast iron cooking grids for better heat retention. The Master Cook has porcelain enameled wire grates.
The Nexgrill also has a built-in temperature gauge, which is super handy. Does the Master Cook have that?
Yeah, it does. It's on the cover lid. Both have foldable shelves, though the Master Cook has 2, offering a bit more prep space.
Okay, so the Master Cook is bigger, more powerful, and has more prep space. The Nexgrill is portable, has a griddle, and, what about the reviews?
Well, the Master Cook has a ton of reviews, over 3,500, with a 4.2-star rating. People seem happy with the cooking ability and value. The Nexgrill has fewer reviews, around 230, but a slightly higher rating of 4.4 stars. People like its build quality and how easy it is to assemble.
So it really depends on what you need. If you want a big, powerful grill for home, the Master Cook makes sense. If you need something portable and versatile, the Nexgrill is a good option. And the price difference isn't huge either, with the Nexgrill costing around $180 and the Master Cook around $200.
Yeah, I think you're right. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.